What's up guys, in this video I'll be comparing the specs of two rugged smartphones with the brightest flashlights available on any smartphone. The Unihertz Golden Eye versus the Unihertz Tank. The Unihertz Tank has a 1200 lumen maximum brightness, but I don't know that of the Unihertz Golden Eye. It hasn't been mentioned yet, but according to Unihertz, the flashlight on the Golden Eye is also very bright. It is the device's main selling point, so yes, I expect it to be very bright, and of course I'll keep you guys updated once I know the maximum brightness of the Unihertz Golden Eye's flashlight. If you're interested in latest tech news or updates, then make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's compare the specs of both rugged devices. So there we go guys, the Unihertz Golden Eye versus the Unihertz Tank. Which of the two rugged devices do you think is best in your opinion? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.